we've got a triangle here, and we're given a couple things. We're given the lengths of each side, so we could find the perimeter. We did that back in 24. But we're also given the measures of each of the three angles, and the problem asks us to find the degree measures of each of the angles. So we need to know something. We need to know this fact, that if you add up the interior angle, the measures, if you add up the measures of the interior angles of any triangle, you get 180 degrees. So let's add these and set that equal to 180. So let's add up these three angles and set it equal to 180. Let's see, and it doesn't matter what order we go in. I'm going to take this one, then this one, then this one, add those together, so we'll get 2x minus 4 degrees plus, now the top one, 5x minus 5 degrees. Let's make that a little bit easier to read. Not much. Plus 4x plus 2 degrees, and that's all equal to 180 degrees. Let's add these up. 2x's and 5x's 7, and 4 more is 11 x's, and then constant, we're at negative 4, negative 5, so negative 9 plus 2. So that takes us to negative 7. That's equal to 180. Now we're pretty good at solving these. We know what to do. We're going to add 7. So we'll get 11x equals 187, and then we're going to divide by that 11. So 180 divided by 11. But now we know we're not done here, right? Because we're asked for the measures of each angle. So we have the x value. We have that x, and that x, and that x we found here to be 17. So we need to put this 17 back into each one of those measures. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to do it at the top right. So let's take a look at the first one here. So 2x minus 4. Now when x equals 17, we'll get 2 times 17 minus 4, 34 minus 4. That gives us 30 degrees. Let's get the top one. 5x minus 5, when x equals 17. We'll get 5.17 minus 5. That gives us 85 minus 5, which gives us 80 degrees. And then finally at the end here, now we could do this, right? We know that they add up to 180. So we've got 30 and 80 already. That's 110. So we need another 70 to get us to 180. But let's just keep doing what we've been doing. So we'll get 4x plus 2. And when x equals 17, we'll get 4 times 17 plus 2. 4 times that 17, that's a 68 plus 2. And there's that 70 we were looking at. So here's the answer to our question. Find the degree measures of the angles. The degree measures are 30 degrees, 80 degrees, and 70 degrees.